planning a wedding? Exciting, right? Also, maybe a little overwhelming. Don't worry, we've got you. We're about to explore how AI, specifically GPT, can be your secret weapon for planning the wedding of your dreams. Forget endless spreadsheets and hours spent browsing online. GPT can help with everything from finding the perfect venue to organizing your guest list. It's like having a personal wedding planner available 24/7. Intrigued? You should be. Let's dive in and see how GPT can make your wedding planning journey a breeze. Get ready to say I do to stress-free planning and hello to your dream wedding. Before you start picking out flower arrangements, let's get organized. This is where GPT really shines. Start by creating a checklist of everything you need. Think big picture stuff first, setting a date, figuring out your budget, and deciding on your wedding style. GPT can help you create this checklist. Just ask it something like, create a wedding planning checklist, starting with the most important tasks. Boom, instant personalized checklist. Next up, the budget. This can be a bit scary, but GPT can help you stay on track. Input your overall budget and ask GPT to help you allocate funds to different categories. It's like having a financial advisor dedicated to your big day. Finding the perfect venue is crucial. Do you dream of a rustic barn wedding, a beach ceremony, or an elegant ballroom reception? Tell GPT your vision, including your location and guest count. GPT can scour the internet for venues that match your criteria. It can even provide links and contact information. Imagine finding your dream venue without making a single phone call. Next, the vendors. Photographer, florist, DJ, the list goes on. GPT can help you find and research potential vendors, read reviews, and even compare prices. Section 4. Guests and greetings, crafting your dream guest list. The guest list. It can be a source of joy and, let's be honest, a little stress. GPT to the rescue. Use GPT to create a spreadsheet to manage your guest list. You can easily track RSVPs, meal choices, and even dietary restrictions. Designing and sending invitations is a breeze with GPT. You can ask it to generate wording for your invitations, taking into account your style and level of formality. Need help with addressing those envelopes? GPT can do that too. Remember, clear communication is key. Use GPT to help you craft emails or messages to your guests, keeping them informed every step of the way. Section 5. Themes and decorations, setting the stage for romance. Now for the fun part, themes and decorations. Do you envision a romantic garden party, a glamorous Gatsby-themed bash, or something totally unique? Share your vision with GPT and let it work its magic. GPT can suggest color palettes, floral arrangements, and even table settings that align with your chosen theme. It can also provide inspiration and resources, like links to Pinterest boards or online shops. Don't be afraid to get creative. GPT can help you brainstorm unique decor ideas that reflect your personality as a couple. Remember, it's your day, so make it your own. Section 6. The big day coordination and calm with GPT. The big day is here. With all your planning done, it's time to relax and enjoy. GPT can help ensure everything runs smoothly. Create a detailed wedding day schedule, including vendor arrival times, ceremony start time, and reception events. Share this schedule with your wedding party and any key family members. That way, everyone's in the loop and knows exactly what's happening when. No last-minute scrambling or frantic phone calls. Most importantly, remember to breathe and savor every moment. You've put in the work, and now it's time to celebrate your love with your nearest and dearest. So there you have it. With GPT by your side, planning your dream wedding has never been easier or more fun. From checklists and budgets to venues and vendors, GPT can be your ultimate wedding planning companion. Now go forth and plan the wedding of your dreams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. And be sure to share your own wedding planning experiences in the comments below.